2002 Pontiac Sunfire. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with an efficient 4-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power steering, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, daytime running lights. Call today to schedule a test drive.